Good morning, class 7 students. Today I am going to explain regarding the unit of density. Unit of density. इसका मतलब क्या है? Scale. Unit का मतलब होता है means scale. Unit का मतलब scale. Density को हम नाप सकते हैं. कोई भी चीज जिसको नाप सकते हैं उसके लिए scale होता है. ठीक है? तो density नापने का भी एक scale है. कई तरह का scale है. First of all, I will discuss regarding SI unit of density. Density नापने का एक स्केल है, जिस स्केल का नाम है SI यूनिट. यूनिट मतलब स्केल हो गया. SRI मतलब क्या है? S का पूरा नाम है स्टैंडर्ड, मतलब गुणवत्ता वाला, और I का पूरा नाम है I फॉर इंटरनेशनल, सारे देशों में माना गया, एक्सेप्ट किया गया स्केल को. तो स्केल को बोलते हैं स्टैंडर्ड इंटरनेशनल यूनिट ऑफ डेंसिटी. डेंसिटी नापने को एक स्केल है, जिस स्केल को सारे देश ने, इंटरनेशनल सारे देश ने उस स्केल को माना है डेंसिटी नापने के लिए, और वे काफी गुणवत्ता वाला, स्टैंडर्ड मतलब गुणवत्ता वाला स्केल है. ओके, नाउ तो स्केल का नाम क्या है? तो उस स्केल का नाम हम पहले ढूंढेंगे. उस स्केल का नाम क्या है? जैसे तुम लंबाई नापने के लिए तुम्हारे पास ज्योमेट्री बॉक्स में स्केल होता है, जिस स्केल का नाम है सेंटीमीटर स्केल. तो सेंटीमीटर स्केल से हम लोग नापते हैं किसी चीज की लंबाई, ऊंचाई, चौड़ाई नापने के लिए हम लोग यूज करते हैं सेंटीमीटर स्केल. ओके, तो अब हम निकालेंगे उस वे स्केल जिसको हम लोग बोलते हैं SI यूनिट्स. SI यूनिट वाला स्केल डेंसिटी नापने के लिए, वे SI यूनिट वाला स्केल का नाम क्या है? तो फॉर फाइंडिंग द नेम ऑफ द scale which we use for measuring density, remember that scale will have two type of scale, because you know that मैंने पिछले क्लास में समझाया था density is equal to mass upon volume. कोई भी चीज का मास निकालोगे, वजन निकालोगे, फिर उसको वॉल्यूम निकालोगे, दोनों को डिवाइड करोगे, you will get the density of that particular object. Okay, now तो यहां पे दो चीज आ गया. डेंसिटी निकालने के लिए हमें दो चीज चाहिए. कोई भी चीज का डेंसिटी निकालोगे तो उस चीज का मास भी चाहिए, वजन भी चाहिए, और उस चीज का वॉल्यूम भी चाहिए. ओके, नाउ मास को मैंने बताया था, क्या बताया था? वजन. वजन नापने के लिए हमें कौन सी इंस्ट्रूमेंट के यूज करते हैं हम लोग? बीम बैलेंस. ओके, नाउ वजन नापने के लिए कई तरह स्केल है, तो हम निकाल रहे हैं SI यूनिट स्केल डेंसिटी की. तो वजन नापने के लिए हम लोग भी यूज करेंगे कौन सी स्केल? SI यूनिट ऑफ मास. वजन नापेंगे हम SI यूनिट वाली स्केल लेके हम लोग वजन नापेंगे. प्रीवियस क्लासेस द टीचर हैव एक्सप्लेन्ड यू दैट वजन नापने के लिए जो SI वाला स्केल होता है वो क्या होता है? kg, किलोग्राम वाला स्केल. तो मैंने यहां पे kg लिख दिया. उसके बाद वॉल्यूम नापने के लिए स्केल होता है कौन सी स्केल? SI यूनिट. कई तरह का स्केल है वॉल्यूम नापने के लिए. वॉल्यूम मतलब कितना जगह जिस वो चीज है लेके है, जिसकी डेंसिटी निकाल रहे हैं, तो उसका भी एक स्केल है, SI यूनिट स्केल है, और स्केल का नाम है m⁻3, या उसको बोलते हैं मीटर क्यूब. 3 मतलब क्यूब, m मतलब मीटर, मीटर क्यूब. सो ये हो गया स्केल किसकी? डेंसिटी SI. ये हो गया SI यूनिट स्केल डेंसिटी नापने के लिए. इसको कैसे पढ़ोगे? kg का फुल फॉर्म होता है किलोग्राम, इस लाइन का मतलब पर, 3 मतलब क्यूबिक, m मतलब मीटर. तो हाउ विल यू रीड दिस वन? किलोग्राम पर क्यूबिक मीटर. और इन सम बुक्स इट इज रिटन लाइक दिस. किलोग्राम पर इज नॉट रिटन लाइक दिस, पर इज रिटन लाइक दिस, देन आफ्टर दैट मीटर क्यूब. नाउ आवर कैलकुलेशन आई एम डूइंग इन सम अदर बुक्स, both are same. Okay, both are same SI unit of density. The style of writing is a little bit different. Okay, you will read in the same manner. Kilogram per, this line means per cubic meter. Okay, another way of writing this density unit, some calculation I am doing, you will see in some other book, instead of writing like this, they write in a different way, but the meaning is same. Now I am doing one calculation. See this one. This I can write like this here. kg, above the line is there, so I am writing kg. Okay, I have written the kg like this. Then I draw a line. This one I am writing like this. Okay, kg, line is below the line. I have drawn the below the line. Now below the line m cube was there. I am not writing m cube. In place of m cube I am writing 1, because you know anything which if you write below that, if you draw a line, always 1 is coming. Then multiply, okay, 1 upon m to the power cube. Okay, this thing I can write like this. Now you see here both are looking like fraction. So if you multiply kg with 1, when two fractions are multiplied, what you do in mathematics, you know, above the line kg is here, above the line 1 is there. So when you have to multiply these two fractions, what do you do? Above the line kg you multiply with above the line 1. So kg multiply 1, anything multiply 1, that kg will come. So kg came here. Okay. Now below the line 1 is there, and here below the line m to the power 3 is there. So when you do fraction multiply, below the line whatever is there we multiply. So m to the power 3 multiply 1, the same m to the power 3 will come. Now next calculation what I will do, you see carefully, kg upon 1 multiply. Now see this one, this is looking like laws of exponent. In mathematics you have applied the laws of exponent. See here, this one is looking like this one, laws of exponent, which we use in mathematics. You see very carefully, 1 upon m to the power 3 is looking like 1 upon x to the power m. In place of x, m is written, and m in place of m 3 is written. Now this one I can change like this. So here also by applying the laws of exponent, I can write this one like this, m to the power minus 3. Okay, I have applied the laws of exponent here. Now next we proceed further. Kg upon 1 you can write, you cannot write, it means same. So write kg into m to the power minus 3. Okay, now I am proceeding further. Between these two multiply sign is shown. It is up to you, you can show, you cannot show. Now this one I can write like this, kg, multiply sign I will not show, m to the power minus 3. So this is also the SI unit for measuring density. This one, then this one, then this one. All the three mean same. In some books you will find that SI unit of density they are written like this, but you will read in the same manner as you have read this one. How will you read this one? Kg per meter cube. Understood how this is coming? For making you understand how this came, by calculation I have done. Now density of different substances in SI unit. The density of some substances in SI unit. Now scientists have found density of different substances, and they have got, by calculation they have got the density, and they have mentioned in their books. Okay, so today, okay, now density of different substances in SI unit. Scientists have calculated the density of some substances, different substances, by taking the which scale? Standard International Scale. Okay, for example, water, they have found out that the density of water they have found out after calculation by measuring the मास ऑफ द वाटर, उसका वजन नापा, और कितना वॉल्यूम, कितना जगह लेके है दैट वाटर, दे कैलकुलेट द वॉल्यूम. So after calculating the volume and the mass of the water, they have got the density of the water is 1000 kg per meter cube. For the iron also they calculated the density, and how much they got? 7800 kg per meter cube. Then for ice also they have found the density of ice, and they got the value 920 kg per meter cube. Now you have to understood, for example, let us take iron. The scientists have found that the density of the iron is 7800 kg per meter cube. Okay, now what do you mean actually by this 7800 kg per meter cube? You will say that yes, this is the density of the iron which the scientists have found. Now what do you mean by this then? Next question, if I ask you, this number kg per meter cube is written, you are telling this is the density of iron which the scientists have found. Yes, correct. Now you tell me what, now forget about the density, now you tell me what do you mean by this which is given for the iron. जो iron के लिए दिया हुआ है, इसका मतलब क्या है? Now see here, per meter cube. Meter cube के आगे कुछ नहीं है, मतलब before this one is there. Okay, suppose meter cube, okay, nothing is there before 1 means you can write this one as 1 meter cube. Okay, or 1 multiply meter cube. Okay. Now 1 multiply meter cube, anything multiply 1, this will come. So all this 2 which I have written, it is same like meter cube. So here meter cube was written, before meter cube I can write 1. Now you tell me what do you mean by this. Now let us take one example here. Suppose this is a cube shaped iron object. Okay, the scientists have taken a cube shaped iron object. Now for finding the density of this iron object, what they will do, they will find the mass, okay, with the help of a beam balance. का वजन निकालेगा beam balance के साथ. तो जब वजन निकाला इस beam balance के साथ, वजन जब निकाला कितना आया? It came how much? This much came, 7,800 kg. फॉर्मूला क्या है डेंसिटी निकालने का? डेंसिटी इज मास अपॉन वॉल्यूम. सो मास इसका निकला कितना, वजन करके बीम बैलेंस से 7,800 kg. तो इसको लिख दिया, मास के जगह लिख दिया, पर लगा दिया. ये जो देख रहे हो यहाँ पे पर है, पर को यहाँ पर लिख दिया. देन इसका वॉल्यूम निकाला. क्या वॉल्यूम निकाला? वे किस तरह का ये आयरन का क्यूब शेप ऑब्जेक्ट लिखा जिसकी हर साइड, ये तीनों साइड को जो देख रहे हो, ये सारे साइड को जो देख रहे हो, ये सारे साइड सेम मेजरमेंट. और सेम मेजरमेंट कितना? सेम मेजरमेंट कितना? ये भी 1 मीटर का, ये भी 1 मीटर का, ये भी 1 मीटर का. देन when he took a iron made object in the shape of a cube whose all the sides, when he measured it, he found that all the sides are 1 meter. और कोई भी क्यूब में अगर एक साइड 1 मीटर होगा तो बाकी all the other side will be also 1 meter. Now he got the measurement 1 meter of this side, and this side also he got the measurement 1 meter, and this side also he got the measurement 1 meter. Now for finding the volume of this iron made cube object, what he did, he multiplied 1 meter with 1 meter with 1 meter. Then how much volume you will get? I explained in the previous class, 1 into 1 into 1, 1 will come, then m multiply m, it will come m to the power 3. So how much volume he got for this iron object? 1 meter cube. Now how much you got? Now see your volume. You will calculate the volume. Volume of any cube object we get by multiplying side, multiply side, multiply side. So side, multiply side, multiply side. Okay. Then how much you got of this iron shaped cube object? 1 meter. Into another side he got 1 meter, another side he got also 1 meter. Okay, now calculation is doing. Now see here, now in number first he multiplied, 1 ones are 1, 1 ones are 1 coming. Now 3m we have to multiply. When same type of thing we multiply 3 times, then what do we do? The answer will come, we write m 1 time and put a power 3 here. So the volume of this cube shaped iron object came 1 meter cube. So what the scientists did, below the line volume is there, so this line is written here, and volume he wrote 1 meter cube. So what do you mean by this? Density of iron is 7,800 kg per 1 meter cube, means I have got a iron object whose volume is 1 meter cube and the mass will be 7,800 kg. Okay, that means 1 meter cube volume means this cube is occupying volume. What do you mean a volume? The space occupied by that object. This iron object is occupying how much space? 1 meter cube space it is occupying. That means the volume is 1 meter cube. So any object whose volume is 1 meter cube and that iron object mass will be 7,800 kg. Same way, suppose you take an ice object. So ice object volume is written, they have found 920 kg per meter cube. Per meter cube means 1 meter cube. That means the ice is having a volume 1 meter cube and whose weight will be or mass will be 920 kg. Understood? Ice density is 920 kg per meter cube, means the ice volume is 1 meter cube, and if you weigh that ice whose volume is 1 meter cube or that ice which is occupying a space of 1 meter cube, its weight will be always 920 kg. For example, same you come here, water, how much density they found? 1000 kg per meter cube. That means if you take water which is occupying a space of 1 meter cube और जिसका volume 1 meter cube है, उसका वजन always होगा 1000 kg. I hope you have understood what do you mean by all this. Now let us come to the